Nowadays, one actor here in our Bangladesh is very popular, and he is none other than Jahid Khan. So I think most of the young people, they know about Jahid Khan, not for his acting skill, not for his filmy any skill. He is popular for his unconscious word use or sometimes unconstructive speech. And in this case, I have to talk about something. You know that in the 19th century or at that time, the people who had a great skill in acting, who had some other skills, they are getting popular. But nowadays, the people who are doing such type of nonsense work, they are getting more and more popular, like Jahid Khan. Jahid Khan is the living example. Nowadays, Jahid Khan is very popular for his one movement, which is called in Bengali Digbaji. The science students, they can relate it with the Hydra somersaulting, especially the students from college level who have a good knowledge about the biology second part about the Hydra, which is one type of animal. So this type of things is nowadays getting very popular. And one thing I must have to mention, that is one of the renowned movie producer here in our Bangladesh, whose name is Mustafa Sarwar Farooqi. He also tried to promote his one movie using this virality or using this popularity of Jahid Khan. So nowadays we have to think about this, why he is getting popular. He don't have enough skill, he don't have enough such type of skill. Then again, why he is getting popular? Because the young people like me and like you, because we are talking about this, we are making different types of memes, we are actually cutting his speech and upload this into our social media. That's why nowadays he is getting popular, and I am making this video, I also make him popular. So for such type of activities, he is now getting more and more popular. And I think in future this type of tradition or this type of things must be adopted as a marketing skill. I don't know personally about Jahid Khan. For this reason, I am not able to say that whether it is market policy of him or not. And another thing, I think you notice that he always try to talk about that girls like him. Some girls, they print his picture into their pillow, which is very very interesting. And he also said that some girls they art his name into their hand. For this reason, many things happen. So he proudly said this thing. I don't know what's the basis of this type of talking. Then again, he's now in the trending. So we don't have to do nothing, because our young generation and people like me and you, we make him as trending and we make him as renowned actor. Although we don't know, even I don't know any of his movies name, I don't watch any of his song, I don't watch any of his acting skill. But one thing we must have to praise, that is he is capable of speaking. Whenever anyone asks him any question, whether it's a journalist or whether it's any YouTuber or any other general people, he is able to answer all of this question, and not only by serious way, but also sometimes by funny way. So that's the thing I think everyone must have to consider. But this thing is not well enough to establish someone as a film actor or someone as celebrity. So that's all about today's video. I think you know much better than me about Jahid Khan, but I only try to make this video for my English speaking practicing purpose. I think you also try to do this type of things. You can talk about many types of topics. You can just decide that today I want to talk about this topic. Then you can speak 5 minutes or 7 minutes. You have to make this conversation as longer as possible. By this way, I think you can also improve yourself. I also try to improve myself. So that's all about today's video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate that you are watching my videos.